Welcome to the N Ideas Hub. Woo! And look, earn PayPal rewards. I show you 8 ways how to make money online in 2023. We're in the middle of 2023, but guess what? That don't stop you from making the money. Coming up, I will show you how. Yes. Are you looking for ways to earn PayPal rewards? In this video, I show you 8 ways to make money online. Yes, 8 ways. It's out there. The money is out there online, and I will show you. Coming up, number one, you could do this. You could sign up for a website called Honey, and you could sign up for PayPal, which the link will be below, where you could buy things, well, the things you already buy online and get points for it. And when those points add up, guess what? You could get PayPal money for things you was going to buy anyway. That's my number one. Wow, right? The link is below. It's called Honey, and the other one, of course, PayPal. Yes, you can get rewards for them, for the things you already buy. That is a great way. You're going to buy it anyway. Why not get the money for buying it online? Coming up, I tell you the second thing. Number two is Pay Viewpoint. Free to join, very short surveys, less than 5 minutes. Great way to earn that PayPal cash. Link is below. Now, this site I'm about to tell you about, well, it's number three, and it's called Swag Bucks. You might have heard of it, where you could just watch videos, do surveys, play games. They have a great trivia live I just love, and this is a great way to earn that PayPal cash. The link is below. Get started. Swag Bucks. You will love that one because you never get bored with it. It's just not just surveys. Like I said, you play games, you watch videos, you do so many things. And then they have a great trivia live where people all over the world will participate in. The link is below. Swag Bucks. Oh, well, we get down to it. Number four. Woo! Inbox dollar. Okay. You said what? Surveys. You do surveys. You play games. Yes. But you're doing the stuff that you like. Surveys, play games, and what? Watch videos. Yes. Inbox dollar. Number four. Can't beat it. Earn that PayPal cash in your spare time. Number four. We almost there. Halfway there. So let number four. Woo! Number five, it's called branded surveys. Yes, you participate in surveys, but if you do so many, you get bonuses for doing them. You do daily polls, and guess what? You do webcam as well. And it's just a great, fun way, free to join, remember. The link is below. Brandon surveys. Now, if you love shopping, I love to shop online. And if you love to buy clothes and shoes and things like that, these two sites I'm about to tell you, it's a great way to get that cash back. You're going to buy it anyway online. Most of us shop online, most of the time anyway. I seldom go to the mall. But if I do, I also could still save because these two sites also have in store as well. It's called, one of them is Ibotta and the other one is Rakuten. Get that cash back, whether you in store or online. And it's free to join. And guess what you could do? You could get that PayPal cash. Yeah, you're going to buy it anyway. Might as well get paid for buying it. Now, if you want to show your many talents and you want to do some freelance work, Fiverr is a great way to do it, especially with affiliate marketing. If you know about editing or do ebooks or anything related to that, Fiverr is a great way to do affiliate marketing, freelance work. It's a great way and earn that PayPal cash where you could do it on your spare time because that's what they call it, freelance work. Number 8 is a great website that I've been using for a good while. It's called Prize Rebel, where you can do surveys, you can play games, and watch videos and many things. And they have bonuses and everything for you to, do. And great way to earn that PayPal cash. It's free to join, remember. And the link is below. So that is the 8. But also, I would like to add something coming up next, and I want to tell you, beside all the 8 things I tell you how to do the PayPal cash, and I just want to add one more thing to help you out for you to make that PayPal money. Now we have gone through all 8 about how to get that PayPal cash. But I want you to remember, the Idea Income Hub would like for you to hit the link below and watch my other videos. But I want also you remember to hit that minimum threshold on cashing out with each platform. And then you could just request that PayPal cash and see that money come in to you. Like I said, the link is below for all. And another thing I like to say, good luck to you, and I'll see you next time.